In this video, we'll answer the age-old question: is pet insurance a good idea? First, let's start with the basics. Pet insurance is like having a magical shield that protects you and your pet from the high costs of unexpected veterinary bills. Just like you have health insurance to cover your medical expenses, pet insurance policies provide coverage for your pet's health needs. With different policy options to choose from, you can select one that suits your pet's needs, your budget, and your lifestyle. Let's break down how most pet insurance policies work. Most pet insurance policies will first have you pay your vet for their services. In the next step, you file a claim to your insurance provider. Upon approval of your claim, your pet insurance company will then proceed to repay you as per their pet insurance protocols. Different types of pet insurance policies include accident and illness insurance, wellness insurance, and exotic pet insurance. Accident and illness insurance policies cover your pet in the case that they are injured or fall ill. These policies typically cover treatment that is due to an injury or illness, such as broken bones, x-rays, and medications. However, they usually don't cover exam fees, vaccinations, and teeth cleanings. Some policies may also cover behavioral therapy or rehab after a covered event. For example, if your pet breaks its leg, this policy might cover the cost of a cast, setting the bone, x-rays, and sometimes the exam fee. Comparatively speaking, wellness insurance policies are more generous in nature and will generally cover more routine issues like exams, vaccinations, spaying and neutering, and nail trims. However, these policies are rare and are often offered as optional add-ons to accident and illness insurance policies. Some insurers, like Pets Best, will offer optional wellness coverage plans to help with the cost of routine dental services and other procedures. Other insurers, like Healthy Paws, do not offer this optional coverage. Let's say you need to get your pet spayed or neutered. Assuming you have a wellness policy in place, you may recoup some of the costs associated with the procedure. Exotic pet insurance policies cover pets that aren't cats or dogs, such as birds, reptiles, and small animals. Very few companies offer this type of insurance, but some policies may cover accidents, illnesses, and some preventative care like exams. For example, if you have a policy for your bird and it injures its wing, the policy may cover the cost of treatment. It's important to note that most pet insurance policies do not cover pre-existing conditions. This means that if your pet exhibited symptoms or was diagnosed with a condition before enrolling in a policy, it will generally be considered a pre-existing condition and won't be covered. Now, if your pet has a chronic condition like diabetes, it likely won't be covered by your pet insurance policy. Pet insurance policies also typically have deductibles and coverage limits. Deductibles are the amount you pay before the insurance kicks in, while coverage limits are the maximum amount the insurance will pay out. Some policies also offer discounts for insuring multiple pets, for veterans or active members of the military, and for people who work in jobs related to animal care. If you have multiple pets, you may be able to get a discount on your pet insurance policy. Is pet insurance worth it? The value of pet insurance is largely based on your expectations. If your pet is currently undergoing treatment for a chronic condition and you would like help with the cost of the treatment, you will likely be disappointed, as no company or agency in our rating covers pre-existing conditions. But if you understand your policy and what it does and doesn't cover, and have a policy that fits your budget and needs, you are far more likely to consider the policy worth it. Ultimately, pet insurance can help you manage the cost of unexpected medical bills for your furry friend. In conclusion, pet insurance can provide peace of mind for pet owners worried about the high costs of veterinary care. By understanding the coverage and limitations of different policies, you can find a plan that meets your needs and budget. Whether you have a cat, dog, or exotic pet, there are pet insurance policies available to provide coverage in case of illness or injury. Before purchasing a policy, it's important to do your research, compare different plans, and consider the needs of your pet. By doing so, you can ensure that you have the best possible coverage for your furry friend's health and well-being.